Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to check your screen time on Roblox in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to see screen time on Roblox, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To check your screen time on Roblox, first of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. A new screen will open with different options. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings. Here you will see different settings for your account. From the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now, you will see different settings options. Here, look for Screen Time and tap on it. Roblox will show you how long you have been active on the app each day. Some versions also allow you to set daily screen time limits, so you can monitor and manage playtime.